Welcome. If you want to take screenshot without using physical keys, volume and the power key buttons, you can make it in two methods in this smartphone. The first one, you have to open the notification panel, then click on the edit icon, and you will find the screenshot icon right here. So you have to drag it, for example, right here, then just go back and click on this icon. Right now, this screenshot was taken. So that's the first method. The another method, you have to open the settings. Right now you have to go for the configuration tools and go for the screenshot. When you are here, we can find two methods, gesture methods. We have to swipe with 3 fingers down at the same time and take a look. We easily take screenshot. We can also make screenshot by using these 3 fingers by touch and a hold, and we can use the portrait screenshot. But also we can expand like that, and you are able to get the full screenshot. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.